This is one of the mystery block of the month quilts that you could make in your own colors, your own fabrics. And if you opt to do it as quilt as you go, that's what this one was a quilt as you go, so it was easy as pie to put together, and it came out a beautiful quilt. This last year I made another one that came out equally, I thought, equally nice. I didn't make all the blocks for this one because I've made so many of these mystery quilts. I opted for something smaller, and there you go. Now, why do I have a big one? Because one day I was a little bit loopy, I guess, and one of my blocks, I cut it with a different cube, and it came out 16 inches. So I just framed it and I put it into my quilt with all the other 12-inch blocks. I guess what the point is here is that we all make the same blocks. Everybody's quilt changes because we're using different fabrics. We can make it scrappy. We can be very methodical and not make it scrappy. But we also can create our own pattern and do our own thing. And I'm very, very big on that.